Hi everyone, today we are going to make this amazing bread pudding and it is very easy to make. First add 4 tablespoons of sugar in a saucepan on the stove. Then add 1 tablespoon of water and also always put it on low flame. You can see that the caramel color is coming. Don't do it on high or medium flame or it will become very burnt. Now transfer the caramel into a bowl immediately. Now keep it aside. Now take a juice jar. Add 2 very small local eggs. Now add 2 bread. Add 2 small banana. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Add 1.5 cup of milk which has a room temperature. Blend it all together and make a fine puree. Now it's all blended well. Now add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence plus 1 large egg. Again blend it for 10 to 15 seconds. Now pour it on top of the caramel. And also don't forget to remove the foam. Now cover it well with a foil paper. Take 1 liter water and bring it to a boiling trivet and add the bowl on top of the trivet. Steam it for 35 to 40 minutes on medium to low flame. After 30 minutes, open the lid and check it with an insert toothpick. If the toothpick's prick does not come clean, it means the pudding is not steamed well and you should bake it again for 10 minutes. Again we steamed it for 10 minutes and then now we are gonna open the lid and then we're again insert it with a toothpick and check it again. If the prick comes clean, it means it is steamed well. Now turn off the flames. Take out of the hot water and wait for cool down completely, then refrigerate it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, take the pudding out of the refrigerator and serve it. We should separate the 4 edges with a knife or it will break. You can see how nice it is looking after demolding. If you have in your house leftover bread and banana or eggs, you can try it right now. It is very delicious and yummy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.